Welcome to Mastering Flowise. This course is designed for developers, AI engineers, data scientists, and low-code innovators who want to learn how to leverage Flowise to create powerful, production-grade LLM workflows. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience with large language models, this training will enable you to go from concept to delivery without needing extensive coding skills. Together, we'll go from fundamentals to advanced techniques, empowering you to build your own custom, enterprise-caliber applications with ease. Section 1. Introduction to Flowise. Here's where we start by getting you up to speed with Flowise. We'll go over its fundamentals, what Flowise is, its role in your stack, and why it's a game changer for low-code orchestration of LLMs. We'll also highlight its key use cases and show you how companies are employing Flowise to solve real-world problems today. Section 2. Getting started with the Flowise interface. We'll take a tour of the Flowise UI. You'll learn its core components, nodes, and how to connect them to construct your own flows. This forms the foundation for everything you'll do afterwards, from designing simple chatbots to developing sophisticated enterprise applications. Section 3. Chains, conversions, and retrieval tools. This is where we go a bit further. We'll connect chains, enable conversations with memory, and implement semantic search or document retrieval, crucial for delivering contextually rich, realistic chatbot responses. We'll see how these components enable your application to become much more helpful, accurate, and adaptable to your users' needs. Section 4. Mini project. Q&A chatbot with PDF retrieval. To bring it all together, we'll implement a Q&A chatbot that parses PDF documents and lets users retrieve information through natural language conversations. This project ties together everything you've learned and prepares you for designing your own custom applications. Section 5. Deployment and API integration. Once you're finished developing your chatbot, we'll show you how to deploy it and connect it to your own API endpoints for maximum utility in your enterprise stack. We'll cover strategies for scaling and securing your application, ensuring it's ready for real-world usage. Section 6. Additional use cases. There are many powerful applications for Flowise, from customer service, education, internal knowledge base, semantic search, and much more. We'll walk through some additional scenarios you can implement, adding depth to your understanding of Flowise's potential. Section 7 and 8. Flowise Agents V1 and V2. We'll deep dive into Flowise agents, first their architecture and then their advanced capabilities. This lets you move from static Q&A to fully interactive, adaptable, and contextual agent-like applications. You'll see how you can enable your flows to respond to growing or changing conversations in a much more sophisticated way. Section 9. Final project. Agentic RAG. To wrap up, you'll implement a complete agent-centric pipeline with Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, a powerful framework for enterprise applications. This is where you bring together everything you've learned to solve a realistic business challenge, adding true value to your stakeholders. Section 10. Conclusion and what's next. Finally, we'll reflect on what we've learned, explore future directions for Flowise, and highlight resources for further exploration. This includes community contributors, additional training materials, and a clear path forward for growing your expertise in developing semantic applications with Flowise.